Do you know that you don't have to have a visa to visit China? If you are from the following 48 countries, you can visit China for up to 30 days without a visa. Today, I will explain in details what is 30 days visa-free policy, what you need to prepare before arrival, what do you need to do after arrival, and several tips about this policy. So what is 30 days visa-free entry? If you are from the following 48 countries, you are exempt from visa requirement if you are going to China for the purpose of business, tourism, family, or friends visit. You can stay in China for no more than 30 days without a visa. So what do you need to do before arrive China? Great news, nothing. If you are from those following countries, all you need to do is book your flight and fly to China. Just make sure your passport is valid for more than 30 days. And other than flight, it's also allowed in any other type of transportation. So if you're taking trains or ferry or any other way to arrive in China, it's also allowed. So if you're visiting China through a tour group, it's also allowed. If you are traveling for tourists, it would make more sense you show proof of your hotel reservation to show that you're really here for tourism. And if you are flying from a third country, it's also allowed. If you are a South Korea citizen, but you're flying from US, it's also okay as long as you're holding a South Korean passport. If you find this video helpful, please give a like. Thank you. Once you arrive in China, when you go through the border control, the officer will review your information and grant your entry right at the point. So how they calculate the 30 days? It is started at the day of your entry and lasts until the 30th days at midnight. And if for some reason you have to stay more than 30 days for some medical emergency, it is also okay. You just need to apply for a permit through the Accident Entry Administration of Public Security of China. And there's no limit on how many entry is allowed, which means you can visit China using this 30 days visa-free as many times as you need it. And lastly, do not confuse it with the 10 days visa-free transit. This 30 days visa-free has no requirement. You basically just arrive in China, spend 30 days, and go anywhere you want. But the 10 days visa-free transit requires you have an exit ticket to a third country. But that policy applies to 55 countries. And there are 15 countries listed here that they can only use the 10 days visa-free transit to visit China, which including Canada, US, Mexico, Singapore, and UK. I have a detailed video explaining the 10 days visa-free transit policy, so please check out my channel for more details. If you want more tips about how to travel to China, please check out mychinaitinerary.com.